I can see your hair, Daisy.
There's no hair.
But you're Daisy, right? What's your name?
My name is Ice Spice.
You're way too skinny to be Spice.
I look deep. Wall. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Clap. A round of
Clap.
applause. I look so beautiful. My name is Ice Spice. Ano ba kanta ni Ice Spice?
Hindi pa.
Ano ba kanta ni Ice Spice?
Princess Diana.
What?
Princess Diana.
Princess Diana.
Hello.
Bukang kang.
Saan niyo nakita yun?
Princess Diana.
Ano siya sa kalokohan?
My name is Danica Liit.
Well, my hair.
Aalis ng
Ano ka?
aribang hawakan ng ikaw kamay at maabot na lang iyong mga
Pakita mo yung hang-in mo na t-shirt.
Nakahapon ko suot yan, Days.
Hindi pa naliligo.
Hindi mama, sinuot ko lang po to ulit.
Naligo ka na. Very good.
Yes, queen! I showered early in the morning.
Wala na, dato puti ka na agad.
No, I asked auntie to buy me deodorant. I'm Danica Liit. This is me when I grow up. And me when I become a boy.
Ayan, Daisy ulit.